Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c : / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Type bcd edit space /export space c : / bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type attrib c : / boot /bcd -h -r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space c : / boot /bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space / rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.